here is the software. We can put text. We also can import big files, just like AI, PRT, DSF format. Press this button. We also can import some image, just like BMP, JPG format. And here we can adjust the speed, power, and frequency. And here we can adjust the size. And we can choose different fonts. So now we can try to import some words. If we put Bogong and press apply. Press this button, put into center. This is height. We can set different type. Line distance, we can set different line distance according which kind of results we want to get. Then we can adjust the speed and power. We can set power 50. Frequency 50. Now we can press light. So we can see there is a red square. If we choose show counter and press light, we can see the letter. Two different ways. Now we stop it. Press mark. So, finished.